Hello, welcome to KB 21st Century IAS Academy. This is Naveen teaching geography here. Do you know the height of Mount Everest? Yes, you got it right. It is 8,848 meters, which means approximately more than 8 kilometers from mean sea level. Then you might have a question, why geographers are teaching basic facts in this particular session? Actually, in the recent study conducted by University College of London, they found one important thing, that the Mount Everest height is increasing every year at least by 2 millimeters in height. Here you can see this particular data. So, if you observe, the height of the Mount Everest is increasing 2 millimeters per year as said by UCL, University College of London. Then what is the reason behind this? Let us find. So, as per this report, they mentioned that the Arun river, which is a tributary of the Saptakoshi river, which itself is a tributary of the Ganga river, is eroding the rocks and soil particles from the Mount Everest region, and as a result the weight of the mountain system is decreasing, and this mountain system is uplifting further. So, the concept involved in this particular category is nothing but our isostatic rebound. So, let us see what is this concept first. Before this, I want to ask a simple question. What is the largest tributary of Kosi river? So, without any doubt, we can simply say the answer is Arun river. Arun river is the largest tributary of Kosi river, and please mention in the comments what is the river that is regarded as sorrow of Bihar, and what is the river that is regarded as sorrow of West Bengal. Mention your answer in the comments. Now, let us see what is the mechanism that was involved in the isostatic rebound. So, if you can see here, we have given the basic definition of isostatic rebound, which is the vertical movement of Earth's crust in response to changes in surface load, which is also known as post-glacial rebound or glacial isostasy. So, in order to better understand the concept, we have provided a diagram here. So, if you can observe clearly in this particular diagram, so as you know, we have three inner parts in our planet Earth. So, those are core, mantle and crust. So, and along with these things, we are also having layers like lithosphere and asthenosphere. So, generally we used to say the lithosphere used to float on the asthenosphere. So, if there is any reduction of mass, like in this particular image we have shown the ice, means glaciers, and in the next image, if you assume that the ice got melted, the weight will also decline. The isostatic rebound, it is the vertical movement of the Earth's crust in response to changes in surface load. So, in order to understand this concept in a clear-cut manner, let us see the inner parts of our planet Earth. You can see in this image the inner planet, the interior parts of the planet Earth, first from core region, next mantle region, and then we have the crustal region. The crustal region is further divided into continental crust, oceanic crust, and in together, like crustal part and uppermost part of the mantle, we used to regard it as lithosphere. If you remember, this lithosphere is the one which we used to deal with in plate tectonic theory also. The meaning of a plate is nothing but lithospheric slab, okay, and this lithosphere used to float on another layer called as asthenosphere, which is actually a weak plate, actually weak region, which used to allow the plates to move on this particular surface. So, this asthenosphere actually is acting as a semi-solid medium. It is allowing the lithospheric plates to float on it. So, if you assume in a beaker, an ice cube is there, and with the increase of the weight, the ice cube will submerge, and with the decrease of the weight, the ice cubes will rise up. Means the same thing is happening in this particular case also. So, actually this is the isostatic rebound concept. So, if you see the mechanism of isostatic rebound once, here the floating crust means the lithosphere is acting like a iceberg which is floating on a fluid. So, in response to the weight changes, the crustal part height will either increase or decrease. So, if there is any addition of weight, like during the process of glaciation era, the entire crust got higher weights. At that time, we have seen the crustal sinks, but after the glaciation era, means whenever the temperature in the planet Earth got increased, we have seen the removal of the glaciers, means the removal of the weight from the crust, which gave rise to the crustal rises concept. Means we have seen the rise of either continents or mountains or plateaus, anything else. So, this is the concept of isostatic rebound. And in the last, we have some questions for you. Please answer these questions in the comment section. The first question is, isostatic rebound is option A, compression of land overlain by ice, option B, vertical oscillation of recently calved glacier icebergs on the sea surface, option C, elevation of land masses previously overlain by ice sheets, option D, none of the above. And the second question is, choose the correct statements regarding isostatic adjustment. First statement, it is also known as post-glacial rebound or glacial isostasy. Second statement, this phenomenon occurs due to the Earth's asthenosphere behaving elastically over time. So, please answer these questions. Thank you.